guys, it's Dina and I'm back with another video, and today I want to share with you my TJMaxx beauty finds. The first thing that I purchased is this Spa-scriptions face mask applicator set, and the only reason why I purchased it was for this spatula right here so that I can use it with my masks and apply them. But it comes with a rose gel face mask, a gold gel face mask, and a cucumber. So I will try them out and see how they work, but this was the purpose of the purchase, and it was $6.99. Next, I found a bunch of goodies. I found these 3 eyeshadows by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and they were $3.99 a piece. This one is in Gem Rich Brown and 10K. Okay, this one is 10K. I like that, the way it went on. It was very smooth, and I can't wait to try that one out. And then we have Gem, like a jewel gem. I actually like that one too. And finally we have Rich Brown. Next on my goodie list was the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit, and I got Tan Too Deep. This one was $18.99, and here are the colors here. And I was just excited to see these products at the checkout. And finally, I have a few liquid lipsticks, and these were $6.99 a piece. And this one is Punchy Red. That is Punchy Red. And this is a lip gloss, not a liquid lipstick. Punchy Red is a lip gloss. And Vamp is a liquid lipstick. That's Vamp. And Vamp has a lip gloss also, and I do have that one. This color is Soft Lilac. Very, very pink. And finally, Spicy. That's kind of an orangey coral color. And I like orange and coral. Oh, that is bright. That is bright. We'll see how that works when I try it out for you guys. Which the video will be coming really soon. That's going to be a good spring or summer color. But I just wanted to come to you and show you my TJMaxx beauty finds. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like videos like this, please like and or subscribe. And I will see you in the next video.